on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is AJ and you're watching the Bimmer Dude channel. A lot of you guys have been wondering what's been going on with the channel, what's been going on with the Bimmer Dude. Well, today's the day. I'm gonna explain to you guys what's been going on, what you've been missing out on, and what I've been hinting at for the last few weeks as far as surprises. And we're gonna go ahead and name the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So before I tell you guys who the winner is, I want to go ahead and thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for 10,000 subscribers. That's all because of you guys, all because of all the liking and all the sharing that you guys are doing. None of this stuff would have been possible if it wasn't for you guys, and I want to make sure that I pay homage to that. So that's why I did a giveaway, and that's why I have this big surprise coming. It's literally right behind us. If you guys just hold on for a second, make sure you guys stay to the end of the video. Promise you guys you will not be disappointed. So for those of you guys that are new, let me give you a little bit of backstory and why we started this channel. All right, guys, so about a year ago, I started this channel with the hopes of healing myself. Many of you know that I lost my father to colon cancer a few years ago, and this was kind of a way for me to kind of cope with it, for me to work through my problems and work through my issues with that. Realizing my own issues and taking care of those things, and that whole experience with you guys has been extremely therapeutic. I have to say that you guys are responsible for a lot of the healing that's been happening. Now, of course, my relationship with God, because I do give him the glory and I give him the respect he deserves at the very end of every single video with the peace out and Godspeed. I want to go ahead and thank him. And I want to thank you guys for everything that's becoming possible, everything that's about to happen for the channel. So with that being said, there are a few things I need to cover today, and the first and foremost thing I need to cover is the winner for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. The OMP steering wheel goes to Dom Bounty on Instagram. If you guys weren't familiar with what happened, I'll fill you in really quick. There was a video a few weeks ago about us nearly reaching 10,000 subscribers and what I was going to do for one of you guys out there, because it's because of you guys we're actually even here, leaving the channel, going to Instagram, subscribing there, make sure you're a follower on Instagram, and leaving a non-offensive comment on that post for that day. We did a poll, we did a randomized selector and chose Dom Bounty for the winner. So Dom, your steering wheel's on the way. It'll be there in a few weeks. It is going to the UK, so please be patient. We will do another giveaway at 15,000 subscribers, so please like, subscribe, and share this channel to all your friends. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking so much, and I'm gonna tell you guys what's actually going on, and it's right behind you. So let's do it. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got a shop, guys. We got a shop. and I say we, and I say that lightly, a buddy of mine, he and I have been friends for a good amount of time. Here he comes right here. He's got an E39 M5. And we've been working toward this, or he's been working toward this for a very long time. Now, I told him a long time ago that I was going to be working on my social media presence, and that was what I was going to bring to the shop. No, I'm not a mechanic, and this is his full-time job. Another buddy of ours as well. You guys will be seeing a lot more of them on the channel. Some of the banter, some of the conversation that goes on in this shop. You guys are not going to miss out for that. But to be perfectly honest with you guys, I had no idea this was ever going to happen. This is something that came up last minute. He's been working on it in the background, but we're going to be able to do our videos. The channel is actually moving to this garage about 75% of the time. So you guys stay tuned. A lot of things are going to be happening here. I'll show you guys around the shop, show you guys what's going on with the stuff they're working on. Give you a little more in depth about that E39 M5 right there. That doesn't get driven hardly ever at all, but it's super clean, and he has a matching E36 M3 S-Royal to go with that one. So we'll do a quick review on that later on. If you guys want to see that, make sure you guys stay tuned. And for those of you guys that are new to the channel, subscribe. A lot of things are coming for the channel. You don't want to miss out. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys. We got a lot of cleaning up to do. We got to go get some stuff from the shop and clean this place up. But thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for tuning into the Bimmer Dude channel. And as always, peace out and Godspeed, guys.